Welcome, fellow adventurers, to CryptoQuest, your gateway to the unknown and the unexplained. In this episode, we journey deep into the heart of Java, Indonesia, where whispered tales of a colossal bat-like creature stalk the night. Dubbed the Ahool, this enigma has eluded explanation for decades, leaving both skeptics and believers breathless. To understand the Ahool, we must first examine its fragmented origins, piecing together scraps of contradictory information, hearsay, and folklore. Java's rich biodiversity, coupled with its rugged topography and limited accessibility, breeds an ideal environment for cryptids like the Ahool to hide. Described as having a wingspan comparable to that of a small aircraft, the Ahool defies categorization as a mere bird. But what exactly is it? The Ahool's unmistakable cry pierces the silence like clockwork, sending shudders down spines and fueling imaginations. Individual eyewitness accounts, while compelling, gain credibility when viewed as threads woven into a larger tapestry of consistent descriptions. Pak Suprapto shares his unsettling brush with the Ahool during a routine hunting expedition. Ahool seems partial to nocturnal habits, preferring the safety and secrecy of darkness. Observers report seeing the Ahool gliding effortlessly above the jungle canopy, riding thermals with practiced ease. Bloodthirsty by nature, the Ahool satisfies its voracious appetite with whatever unfortunate prey happens to cross its path. Analyzing expert testimony adds weight to the argument for the Ahool's existence. But can we entirely trust secondhand information? Dr. Suryadi voices his professional opinion on the likelihood of the Ahool's existence and why it remains elusive. Might the Ahool simply be a case of mistaken identity or misinformation disseminated over time? Drawing comparisons between cases like the Ahool and other cryptids worldwide offers valuable insights. Revered cryptozoologist Ivan Mackerel discusses his global investigations and their implications for the Ahool phenomenon. Camera trap technology offers promise in detecting hard-to-find creatures like the Ahool. Audio recordings of the Ahool's signature screams provide tantalizing clues, yet they leave room for interpretation. Errol Morris, director of Standard Operating Procedure, talks about the documentary process and applying it to cryptozoological research. Genetic analysis promises to crack open the Ahool conundrum, but obtaining viable DNA samples proves troublesome. Dr. Bergbreiter discusses her work designing miniature robots capable of collecting biological data in extreme environments. Remote cameras offer unprecedented views into the lives of shy inhabitants like the Ahool. Studying microclimatology yields telling details about the Ahool's preferred hangouts, narrowing down the search area. Radar data provides invaluable spatial information, mapping the flight paths of elusive flyers. Monitoring infrasound frequencies offers insight into the Ahool's vocal range, separating fact from fiction. Tracking sleep patterns may expose predictable routines, maximizing chances of spotting the Ahool during peak hours. Pinpointing daytime roosting spots increases opportunities to encounter the Ahool while minimizing unnecessary searches. Dr. Racy weighs in on the applicability of marine biology research to terrestrial cryptozoology. Applying biofluorescent markers illuminates potential Ahool movement, helping distinguish between natural phenomena and the elusive creature. Chemical analysis of suspected Ahool feeding grounds reveals vital clues about dietary preferences, shedding light on its predatory habits. Tagging and tracking devices enable continuous surveillance, eliminating dependence on chance encounters. Dr. Walsh elaborates on the importance of ecological factors in determining the Ahool's habitat suitability. Quantifying habitat destruction caused by human activity pinpoints areas suffering severe ecological decline, indirectly affecting Ahool populations. Global warming modifies ideal living conditions, potentially displacing the Ahool and altering its observable behavior. Decoding predator-prey dynamics reveals subtle shifts in ecosystem equilibrium, informing decisions about conservation strategies. Dr. Goodall shares her perspective on the intersection between human activity and wildlife behavior. Balancing scientific curiosity with ethical responsibility ensures minimal harm to the Ahool and its habitat. Engaging the public in discussions about cryptozoology fosters trust, generates awareness, and discourages exploits. Respecting local traditions and beliefs builds rapport with host communities, facilitating productive collaborations. Launching fundraising campaigns empowers supporters to contribute directly to research expenses, accelerating discoveries. As we wrap up our Ahool Chronicles, join us in contemplating the bigger picture, appreciating the complex interplay between observation, interpretation, and conclusion. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary adventure into the world of the Ahool. We hope you appreciated delving into its captivating mythology as much as we did. If you haven't already, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more thrilling crypto expeditions. Until next time, stay curious, stay adventurous.